Well, a 10-year-old girl has died and another child's in serious condition after being exposed to high levels of carbon monoxide in their Albany Park home.
WGN's Andrea Medina is live outside the Chicago Fire Department's public education building with this tragic story. Andrea.
Hi, Micah and Ray. In the last few minutes, we've actually learned the 10-year-old's name. Her name is Jayreen Sakata. Now, fire officials are still waiting for the Cook County Medical Examiner's determination of her cause of death. But they advise that with the cold weather and heating systems operating overtime, that both smoke and CO alarms are required in homes by law to ensure safety.
When I wake up, I feel headache and the dizziness. And they say you guys have to go to emergency immediately.
Rhoda Maliet was sleeping in her apartment when CPD knocked on her door early Monday morning to alert her about carbon monoxide exposure in her building in Albany Park.
The guy came in to check our hand to see how high we are with the poison. But we were 0 low, so that's why we didn't go to the hospital.
She's thankful she didn't get sick from it. Just after 5 a.m., firefighters responded to a hazmat call at the apartment building near West Gunnison Street and Sacramento Avenue. Inside, CFD reported carbon monoxide levels of 300 parts per million, which can be deadly. According to fire officials, a 10-year-old girl suffered a cardiac arrest and was taken to Swedish Covenant Hospital, where she was later pronounced dead. A 12-year-old was also found inside in serious condition and is being treated at the same hospital. Maliet says the children lived on the 3rd floor and she would see them frequently.
The little kids, when they come from school, we always meet in the hallway.
With CO detectors are required by law. Units should be on all floors with sleeping areas.
Fire officials are unsure if the unit had working CO detectors, but stated that today's incident serves as a reminder that carbon monoxide is a silent killer as it has no visible signs or odor.
You can have a small leak in your furnace or in your kitchen somewhere that can be undetected. And you're in a confined area that can actually build up the CO carbon monoxide levels in the house and cause the deaths.
Peoples Gas was also on the scene investigating. In a statement, they say, quote, "We were asked to come to the address as part of standard protocol. There is no reason to believe the cause of the issue is related to any of our equipment." Maliet says she understands the building's heating comes from the basement, and to her knowledge, she has a carbon monoxide detector in her unit.
Yeah, that work we have.
Police say detectives are conducting a death investigation pending autopsy results. At this time, the exact source of the carbon monoxide exposure remains unknown. We're live in South Loop. Andrea Medina, WGN News.
Thank you, Andrea.